Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joelhood Property and welcome to 8 Conifer Court in Peregian Springs. This immaculately renovated home is positioned in a quiet cul-de-sac and it's going to be perfectly suited to those with an eye for detail looking for exceptional quality. Every inch of this renovation has been thought through with high-end finishes and clever designs wherever you look. This immaculate family home is walking distance to absolutely everything. I highly recommend you come and see the home for yourself. For those interstate and outside the area, we're more than happy to walk you through the home virtually.